Hi Adolf, how are you doing today?
Hey Palve, I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Fine as well, thanks Adolf. Congratulations on being accepted as a speaker for the Global Testing Retreat by Agile Testing Alliance. I would be requesting you to please introduce yourself.
Absolutely. This is Adolf Patel from Cognizant Technology Solutions. I have been working with Cognizant from last 16 years in different capacity, including performance test manager, performance test architect, and QA consulting role as well, right? So throughout my career, right, I was predominantly working in quality assurance and engineering area, which includes automation testing, framework development, QA consulting, and performance tuning and performance tool standardization. So that is pretty much about my career, Palvi.
Okay, thank you so much Adolf. So the topic which you are going to talk about is use of AI and ML in performance testing. Would you please tell us what audience can expect from this talk?
Absolutely. So AI and ML is kind of a very buzzword nowadays, right? From the last couple of years, I would say, right? It's still in not mature state when it comes to performance testing and engineering, right? But we have bits and pieces, so many different tools, technology where we are using AI and ML, right? So my agenda is to, share my thought process to the audience and connect the dots, right? When I
Okay.
say connect the dots, which means that there are certain areas where we can really include or implement AI or ML based approach or tools or program or something like that, which will enhance your performance testing overall, performance testing practice as well, right? Um, be it scripting or monitoring or monitoring or any kind of things, right? It will definitely help when it comes to AI enable.
Okay.
And that also become very significant when we know that most of the projects in the IT industries are based on the agile based, right?
Mhm.
So everything is very fast, right? You know that more than 80% of the project right now are going through agile methodology, right? And uh, software teams who releases their product very often, right? Which means that the testing has to be very faster, right? And very accurately, right? So, and the same thing applies for performance testing as well, right? So when we apply AI and ML, which improves your overall efficiency and also the accuracy. So in current world, right, in day-to-day activity, when we do performance testing, we are using any conventional tool like load runner or any monitoring tool, which essentially capture your response time from the server side, which is not your actual user experience, right? Your actual
Okay.
user experience is something which is different from the server side response only. It will also include your client side, and it will also have so many different factors like how you are attributing your data, right? How you are spinning up your environment, so many other factors. And when it comes to performance testing, we do a lot of homework, we do a lot of analysis, gathering the data, planning the test strategy, planning the data strategy, planning the workload modeling, right? And there will be so many different kind of errors, and it will be not accurate, as I said, right? So when we apply AI or ML based approach, it will be more accurate and it will be more faster. Okay, so that is what my idea is to explain the overall framework and have the team, use that and enable that in their QA area.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Adolf, for explaining the insights into your talk. And we look forward to hearing you on December 11th. Thanks a lot, Adolf.